Happy Thursday, Pre-K, and we're back with another Miss Kayla story time today. And we're going to be reading about a character that we read about a couple weeks ago, but I just love so much and can't get enough of. It's Pete the cat. And in this story, he's going to a science fair. Now, we do a lot of science experiments in our classroom, but in our school, we even have a science fair. The big kids in 6th, 7th, and 8th grade work together with Presley's mommy, who teaches them, and they have a science fair where people can come and look at all the different experiments and things they created. So we're gonna find out today what happens when Pete the cat does some science experiments and goes to a science fair. Today's story is Pete the cat and the super cool science fair. Let's find out what happens. Pete cannot wait for Friday. His school is having a science fair. Pete has never been a scientist. Now he can try it out. Pete's teacher tells the students they will do experiments in groups. Pete is in a group with Callie, Gus, and Squirrel. Our experiment is gonna be groovy, says Pete. What should we do? Let's build a mini submarine, says Callie. Or grow a giant tree, says Squirrel. Or invent an invisible guitar, says Pete. Why don't we make a volcano, asks Gus. Whoa, they all say. Volcanoes are awesome. Now in Pre-K1 this year, we actually did an experiment with a volcano. And last year, when Pre-K2 were in preschool, they did a volcano with Miss Kimmy. So you guys are pros at volcanoes. The group plans the experiment at Pete's house. His mom brings them snacks. Would any scientist like a cookie, she asks? They all raise their hands. The cookies are warm and gooey. The scientists check the big book of experiments for materials. They need glue, water, newspaper, paint, and a plastic bottle for the volcano. They also need vinegar, baking soda, liquid dish soap, and a secret ingredient for the lava. I wonder what the secret ingredient is. Pete and Gus mix the glue and water. Squirrel and Callie tear the newspaper into strips. They cover the plastic bottle with glue and paper. It looks like a sticky white volcano. But oh no, the paint in the brown bottle is blue. What are we gonna do, Callie asks. They can't find brown paint anywhere. If they visited our studio at school, they could get some brown paint. That's pretty cool, says Pete. Maybe it's okay that we have a blue volcano. We'll be the only group with a blue volcano, says Squirrel. Let's test the lava so we know the volcano will erupt at the science fair, Pete says. Gus pours baking soda and liquid dish soap into the volcano, and Callie adds vinegar. Nothing happens at first. All of a sudden, a lot of lava starts coming out. Super cool, says Callie. The team high-five each other, but the lava is still coming out. Soon, it is a huge mess. Oh, Mom isn't gonna be happy, says Pete. At least the scientists are ready for the fair on Friday. When Pete and his team arrive at the fair, they see all the other groovy experiments. They all look awesome. Grumpy Toad and Octopus grew rock candy in a jar. Emma and Marty made slime. We don't stand a chance, says Gus. Don't worry, we have the secret ingredient, says Pete. At the science fair, Pete's teacher loves the blue volcano. Wait till you see it erupt, Pete says. The whole class watches Callie pour vinegar in the volcano. A second later, glitter lava gushes out. Everyone cheers. The scientists cheer the loudest. Ah, so glitter was the secret ingredient. Science experiments are hard work, says Pete, but being on an awesome team makes them a whole lot easier. And they won a trophy for coolest experiment at the science fair. The end. So my question to you is, if you were making a volcano, what color would you want the lava to be? I would want it to be blue like it is in the story, but you might want it to be purple or green or pink or even rainbow color. So think about what color your volcano would be. I hope you enjoyed the story today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you later, Pre-K. Bye.